Now, the National Human Rights Commission has taken cognizance of the incident at a college in Udupi where girl students were banned from attending classes wearing hijabs. And it has now issued a notice to the District Magistrate of Udupi. The NHRC has called the facts of the case disturbing and said that the matter violates human rights of the students. So this is a big development from Karnataka. This is the college in Udupi where there was a furor over girl students wearing hijab. If you remember correctly, there were a lot of people from the right-wing organizations who'd entered the college campuses wearing saffron shawls in protest against students who were wearing hijab. And now there is the NHRC jumping into this matter. It has called for facts in the case and it has said that's very disturbing and it violates human rights. My colleague Neha Hebbale joins me live on the broadcast. Neha, we on Mirror Now have been tracking all the developments on this particular story, and this is something that we have been bringing to fore for our viewers. This is about girl students who have the right to practice and really wear what is prescribed in their religion if they choose to do so. And now with the NHRC jumping into this entire argument, things actually get interesting because we'd have to see that the school had really taken a decision which was against what can be called a human rights violation.
That's absolutely right, Neha. Let's just remind our viewers what had really happened over here in Udupi. Around 6 girl students from the month of December were not permitted to enter their classrooms in their hijabs simply because the college said that, other students were getting offended by it. We had seen protests by other students, with them turning up in saffron shawls as a retaliation. However, after multiple rounds of meetings were held by this college over here, with the parents as well, and this is a government college, mind you, after multiple rounds of meetings were held, it was in fact, very inconclusive is what we pick up. There was no decision that was taken. And now, based on a complaint by a resident of Kalaburgi district, the National Human Rights Commission has, of course, jumped into this, and they have called it a grave violation of human rights since it involves right to education over here of the students. And they've, in fact, issued a notice to the district magistrate, and they've asked him to submit a report in the next 4 weeks.
All right, Neha, thank you so much for joining us with all those details. So, very interesting development coming in as far as the Udupi College where girl students were banned from wearing hijab in the classroom are concerned. Now, the NHRC has taken cognizance of the matter and sought reports as far as this case is concerned.